Hey guys, we're just coming back to you. This is Be Unique. I am just showing you a makeup look, a bridal series. So this is the first look. The hair also, but the hair will be in a separate video. Stay tuned. So as you can see, it's a braided updo. So yeah, I hope you guys really like this bridal look. My wedding is tropical, so we're trying to incorporate all kind of makeup looks. So we're starting with NYX eyeshadow base in white. And we're just going to put that all over the eyelid. Try not to get it on the other parts of your face. Then we're taking CoverGirl Queen in Ebony Bronze Bronzer. And we're going to bronze up the eye with Morphe 505 brush I'm showing you here. It's like a fluffy dome brush. And we're just going to sweep that mainly in the crease in the triangular form all the way up to the brow, and then join it with your nose contour. Then we're taking the Morphe brush palette. It's a matte neutrals palette in 35N. These two browns here, like a mauve brown and a red brown, with the MAC 224 blending brush, and sweeping that also in the crease. Then we're taking a cool tone brown with like a pencil fluffy brush by Crown, and we're also placing that in the crease and kind of winging it out. So we're just creating definition as the look goes along, and we're softly blending those edges with the Morphe 505 brush. We're taking a peach pink and a mauve pink together with a flat shader brush and applying that all over the lid. And we're kind of joining it with those browns together so it looks like it's almost airbrushed on. I'm really going in and packing in those colors. So we're taking the BH Cosmetics Shimmer 88 color palette, and we grabbed a gold and a pink that I showed you. It's a shimmer, those two shimmer colors, and putting that on the lid. We're taking All Over Glow and Bronze Glow and putting that in the tear duct. So this lipstick is Matte Naked by Milani, and the NYC, I forgot the name, but I'm gonna put it down in the description box, and the NYX pencil in Cocoa. So yeah, I hope you really like this look, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will do another look for this series, okay? Bye! Everything will be down in the description box, but make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and like.